Background sounds is a sensory support feature that plays continuous ambient noise like rain, ocean waves, or white noise directly through the iPad. This is a great way for students to kind of shut off the world around them if they're reading, doing some independent math work. Of course, they would need headphones for this feature. Let me show you how you enable it. I'm going to go into settings, of course, and now I'm going to go into accessibility and scroll down until I see audio and visual, and here you'll see background sounds. So I can adjust the volume. I'm going to put it at 50%, and I can choose the sound. I'm going to say ocean, and I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to adjust that sound a little bit. There we go. Okay. And I can even change the volume, or I'm going to turn that off so that if I'm watching a video, that goes away. I can even adjust an EQ, and now it's on, and let's turn it off. Of course, you can have this enabled in your control center. So I'm going to hold my finger down on there. I'm going to add a control. I'm going to scroll down to accessibility once again. And you'll see it right here, the very first one that says background sounds. I'm going to turn that on. And now, if I'm working and I'm allowed to work independently, rather than turning on music for students, they just swipe here, go to background sounds, and it's going to automatically play their selection. So it's very calming. It can help them concentrate, and it's a good way for them to just relax a little bit while they're doing their independent work.